From there, we go to how the church solves problems from misuse of leisure. If you're misusing, how does it help the church? Number one, by offering guidance and counseling. By also preaching on how you can use your leisure time effectively, on ways, on giving you examples. Also, they run family programs for parents in order to guide them on how to help their children use their leisure time well. And also, they guide them on how to be what? Responsible parents. They also provide vocational training to those students who've completed school, so that they don't stay what? Idle. Remember, when we were talking about factors that contribute to misuse of leisure, one of the factors is what? Idleness. So if you have vocational training to learn, to have some skills to be able to have work or to start your own business, the church does so. Also, most of the churches are running what? Rehabilitation centers. But I've also gathered that some of the rehabilitation centers, that is whereby the children go to another what? Level if you take your child to a rehab. You take him to the rehab and they become worse. Some of them, not all of them. Also, providing old people with homes where they are kept occupied with games, reading and watching, so that these old people cannot abuse what? Drugs. Where they can be able to use their leisure time well. If you're old and you do not want to work, that is why you're taken to these homes, so that your leisure time can be used well, you can be occupied. Also, by organizing programs for the youth, men and women, so that they can have their recreational activities. This we are talking about. Why do you think in your churches you have camps, youth camp? Because during the holidays, you can be occupied. You are not idle. That is what the church is doing. Also, holding social functions and encouraging people to develop their what? Talents.